Uphekelelwe kiboyise emkhulu ngehlonipho umthathi Nthombe owayelwela ikululeko ngomsebenzi wakhe uDokotela uPeter Magubane.
I will engage with him with regard to those remarks and at the same time remind him about the protocols.
Unobhala zombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi angekhe amphendule embikindabeni uGwere Ntashe olunga lekomiti ekulu ye-ANC. Uthi akakamhloki bona ngabe amkhulumisa kumhleba.
We are not going to a friendly game. We are going on a big tournament.
Asendimeni efanele kwamalungiselelo kuya ku-AFCON. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku SABC 1 zesiNdebele lotshani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukhombele ababika indaba nabosokhemera bona bakhambe enyathelweni zikaDokotela uPeter Magubane ongasekho. Emngcwabeni yakhe umzabalazo ngumakade bona lo uhlathulwe njengomuntu obeyangaphela amandla ekulweni nombuso webandlululo. Ubukwe ngokungabi nevalo nangesibindi ebekanaso nabekagadangisa ubumbi bebandlululo. uRamaphosa nabekethula inkulumo ngemsebenzi yemihle emngcwabeni kaMagubane uthe kuzabe kunganabulungiswa nayikhibe igama likaMagubane alikho encwadini zomlando welizweli. uMagubane wabelethelwe eSophia Town eJohannesburg ubhubhe ekuthomeni komnyaka lo ngemva kokugula. Ube neminyaka ema-91 obudala.
Umngcwabo bewumfanele ngomsebenzi awenzela ilizwe leSouth Africa uDokotela Magubane. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa umhlathulule njengomuntu obekangazicabangeli yena yedwa. Umengameli ukhombele imbikindaba nabosokhemeri banamhlanje bona bakhambe emhlaleni kaMagubane owayesebenzisa ikhemeri njengesikhali sokulisana nebandlululo.
Just as his generation of journalists held the powerful to account, we continue to count on today's generation of media workers to fulfill this noble act and role without being hindered, obstructed, or censured.
Umengameli bewatsho nokuthi ngathana isiba abantu abanjengoMagubane iphasi bengezelazi ngesihlungu esasibangelwa libandlululo.
I did not leave the country to find another life. I was going to stay and fight with my camera as my gun. I did not want to kill anyone, though I wanted to kill apartheid.
uRamaphosa uthi njengomani ilizweli lihlanganisa iminyaka ema-30 intando eningi nje kufuze lizibethe isifuba ngokuthi imbikindaba zivikelekile begodwa nemisebenzi yababikindaba iyahlonitshwa. Uthi ngelesine South Africa izokuya ekhotho ezobulungiswa amazwe ngamazwe yokumangalela iIsrayeli ngecala elibizwe ngokuthi ngelokurhayila.
Unobhala zombelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uziphendulele kusihlalo we-ANC uGwere Ntashe. Lokhu kunjengoba uMantashe uhlabe uMbalula ngenkulumo yakhe yangempela veke malungana nokuvikela kwe-ANC umengameli walokho uJacob Zuma malungana nesehlakalo se-swimming pool yemzini yakhe enkandla.
uMbalula uthi kunekambiso elandelwako ngaphakathi kwe-ANC ekufuze ilandelwe ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kanti le nkulumo ayikhulumileko imenze ukuthi ahlatshwe baholi abanengi benhlangano zepolitiki kunye nomphakathi. uMbalula uthe uMantashe bekufuze eze kuye azokukhuluma naye ngendaba zabo. Uthi nokho yena uza kwenza ithuba ayokukhuluma naye ngeqadi ngazo indaba zabo.
I will engage with him with regard to those remarks and at the same time remind him about the protocols of the organization. There is no supreme leader in the ANC who is allowed to do as they wish and break protocols as and when it suits them. If the Secretary General has overstepped or done something that is wrong, he himself, the Secretary General, is not a demigod.
Usesenjalo ke umbalula uthi ihlangano le izokhupha isimemezelo ingasikade malungana nomengameli walokho we-ANC uJacob Zuma. Lokho kuza ngemva kokuthi uZuma amemezele ngenyanga epheleleko bona usazokuhlala alunga le-ANC kodwa na emakhethweni womnyaka lo akazuyivotela i-ANC. uZuma uthe uyokuvotela ihlangano etsha esandukusungulwa i-MK Party.
We will clarify the issue of his membership to the party, whether we take him through the DC process or not. But as we speak, he's gone. He's as good as gone. He's decampaigning the party. He's attacking the leadership of the party. He's blaming all the things that himself he was overseeing that were challenges our government faced on the ANC. So that's what he's doing at the present moment. So he's gone. He's as good as gone.
Nasibuya Ndolo.
A lot of schools have monopolized it to certain stockers only. That's where the issue is. They should make it open for all suppliers to supply the school.
Ithoma ukubanzima indaba yenkolo ezisebenzisa intolo zinye ukuthenga ijuniform yabantwana yesikolo. Sabukele indaba ngesiNdebele ku SABC 1 nawuqeda ukufika siyakwamkela ngazi indaba ezinazikuphundileko zikhona ku YouTube ku Facebook na ku SABC Plus. Sikhathi somnyaka lapha ababelethi abaningi batinazela khona bathengela abantwana babo ijuniform yesikolo kanti enye ngiyabantwana abasathoma isikolo. Abanye ababelethi bazwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngokukhuphuka kwentengo yejuniform yesikolo okwenza bona bathinge khudlwana ngesikhwameni. Ikomishini elusazokuphalisana iCompetition Commission ithusele ngokusa ekhotho inkolo ezingalandeli umthetho nezizayikuthengiseni kwentengo yejuniform yabantwana.
Ngisebagijima bathenga okutshodako okuphathelene nenkolo ngaphambi kokuvula kwazo ngeveke zako. Kodwa abaningi babo abanganamali bayalila ngendaba yenkolo ezibakatelela bona bathenge esitolo esitheko kwaphela. Abanye ababelethi bathi bekufuneka bona benze irhubhululo lentolo ezithengisa ijuniform ngendengo eziphasi. Bathi nokusebenzisa imali ngefanelo kubasizile bona bakhone ukuthenga ijuniform nokhunye.
During December you use all the money and buy useless things.
You must budget something for your kids.
It's a little bit high, but we can't do anything.
Isitolo esi sibakatshela ababelethi abaningi abazokuthenga ijuniform yesikolo kanti silinde abanye abaningi ngeveke zako. Sithenga ijuniform yesikolo kodwa nasithi kubudisi ukuphalisana nemikhiqizo evela eChina nazize kubekeni intengo. Umnikazi wesitolo wamukela umlayo wamajuniform weCompetition Commission uthi uzokusiza ukuthuthukisa ukuphalisana emkhakheni lo.
I think that the problem is a lot of schools have monopolized it to certain stockers only. That's where the issue is. They should make it open for all suppliers to supply the school.
I-Competition Commission yafika esivumelwaneni nomkhandlu oyangamela inkolo i-SGB ngo-2021 esikatelela inkolo bona zilise umukhwa ukuba nesitolo sinye esithengisa ijuniform kodwa nezinye intolo zibonakala ziraga nomkhwa lo. I-commission le ithi ifumene ingongoyilo ezingaba yi-220 eziphathelene nejuniform yenkolo solokwa ngoTjhirhweni ngo-2022 kanti eziningi zivele esifundeni saGauteng.
We have, in terms of our investigation, found that schools have concluded deals that are evergreen from as far as 1970s and 1980s with manufacturers and suppliers on an exclusive basis for the supply of a school uniform.
Umsebenzi omkhulu sawusengikolweni bona siqinisekisa ukuthi basebenzisa intolo ezinengana ukuthengisa ijuniform ukubalekela bona isitolo sinye bengiso esithengisako ukwenzela bona ababelethi bakhone ukuthenga la kunendengo eziphasi khona.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuzile ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngokuthi kusase nenkolo ezenza isivumelwano nesitolo sinye lapho kuzakutholakala khona ijuniform yesikolo. Nakumbono khelanela mbukeli.
abantu nabatshelwa bona bangenzi into and bakatelela bayenza khulukhulu la kunemali khona kutsho ukuthi kuyadliwa lapho.
Iyona ndlela abagaya ngayo imali yabona endaweni esemakhaya nje usathola ukuthi kusenothisha nje okuthengwa kuyi-uniform kuphela ngeke uyithole kwenye indawo.
Kumele nje kunikwe abazali, phakathi kwabazali kube nabazali, baningi abazali abathungayo, kube yibo abathungela abantwana.
Lezo zikole lezi ezisenza kanjalo ayiziyasicindezela kakhulu ngoba manizothenga into endaweni eyodwa lonto leyo bazoyidurisa ngoba vele nonke niyayifuna leyo nto leyo.
Umthetho bayibeka imihla nemalanga but inkinga lekhona ukuthi bona ngasibajabulisa ukubeka le mthetho nje kuphela baqedhe le mthetho bangayilandeleli.
I-Competition Commission yazenza impela lezi zivumelwano zayo kodwa ayilandeleli ukubheka ukuthi ziyalandela lezo vumelwano.
Uniform kumele ithengwe noma ngabe ikuphi la othanda khona, so izikole ezenza lokho kumele zichaze.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Abafundi abazokufunda umnyaka wokuthoma bathomile ukufika kuma-TVET College eLimpopo. I-Capricorn TVET College esePolokwane ifumene imbawo eziyi-22,000 zabafundi abazokufunda kokuthoma. Kodwa ne-college le yona inendawo eyanele abantu abalinganisana ku-700 kwaphela abazokufunda kiyo kokuthoma. Abafundi abasalindele imiphumela yabo ka-matric esele baseduze nokwamukelwa ngokupheleleko bathi bahlangazana nemiraro malungana nehlelo lokusiza abafundi ngendleko zabafundi i-National Student Financial Aid Scheme.
Seyithonyiwe ikambiso yokuhlolisa isiqhema sokuthoma sabafundi kodwa iningi labafundi abazihlolisela ukufunda kokuthoma nenitshijilo nge-NSFAS.
Regarding my NSFAS application and all that, I'm not quite sure about it because it still says pending verification and all that, so I'm still waiting.
I was in matric in 2022. Then I failed. I repeated my matric last year in 2023. So when I have to apply my NSFAS, I have to upload it again. So today as I came here, they told me I should register again.
It's bad. Now I'm trying to register again, so because I was registering for November, December last year, so now I have to register for this year 2024 January.
Abanye abafundi babhalelwe kufaka imbawo ngesikhathi.
Some students come to the campus and want to register without having applied. So it's very difficult to register someone who did not apply.
I-campus yePolokwane yanele isibalo sabafundi abangaphezudlwana kwe-700 kwaphela.
We have received 21,852 applications, whereas we needed only 720. So we have done our sifting, and what is happening currently, we are registering those students who have accepted our offer.
Ukufunda ngiyokthoma ngeveke zawo kiwo womana ama-campus angaphasi kwe-Capricorn TVET College. Ukwamukela kwabafundi engigabeni ezizako kuzokuraga ekuhambeni komnyaka lo. Kanti intshijilo malungana ne-NSFAS zithinte kumbi izikweli. Lokhu bekwabangela bona abafundi abaningi balisa ukufunda phakathi.
Lile ngemahaheni ngomuso labafundi be-University ye-Fort Hare eMpumalanga Kapa abafunde iziqu ze-speech and language therapy. Lokhu kunjengombana iziqwezi zibonakala zingathathwa njengezisemthethweni begodwa azisatshejwa namkhandlo wengamele amaziko wefundo ephakemeko i-Health Professions Council of South Africa. Imfundo zaleziqu bezifundwa kule university ukusukela ngo-2018 kodwa nabafundi bokuthoma abazenzileko abakhona ukuthweswa zona. I-HPCSA ithi university ibhalelwe ukuvela nehlelo lokwenza izinto ngcono ngemva kokuthi kwenziwe inlilo zeziqwezi.
Nabe ivakatshele university le ngo-2021 i-HPCSA ithole bona bangaphasi kwesibalo esilingeneko abasebenzi behlelweni lemfundo ze-speech and language therapy. Kuthole nokubana abanye babotitshera abafundisa imfundo abanazo imfundo ezibenza balungele ukufundisa lezi imfundo kanti batsho ne-university ihlelelwa zinsetshenziswa zokufunda.
As it stands right now, the University of Fort Hare speech therapy program does not meet the minimum requirements for training speech language therapists. The original curriculum that was approved did on paper meet those requirements, but the implementation and execution of that curriculum obviously falls short of the minimum requirements. That's why we are now in a point whereby we're saying that students who are trained in that program are not eligible to register with HPCSA.
abafunda imfundwezi bararekile.
Sandikwe-mid-20s zami. Suppose if things were going very well, suppose sendi-permanent ngoku. And that means mhlawumbi ngendifederation studies zami. Mhlawumbi ndenze masters zami okanye I should be now enrolled kwi-masters zami. So indibuyisela umva kakhulu. Nayo ne-mental health yami ba-affected yile nto uthi uhleli uvele uzibone ungumntu oyisilisa ebomini.
Nanyana kusesene izinto ezingakahlahluleki ezivezwe yi-HPCSA, i-University batsho isaraga nokuhlolisa abanye abafundi ngaphansi kwazo lezi mfundo.
Amaphupho abulewe. Nam anikwazi uzikhathalela njengamntu. I feel useless.
I-University ye-Fort Hare igandelela bona kulandelwe yonke imigomo yokunikela ngemfundwezi. Estatementini esikhutshweko ithi bonke abafundi benza imfundwezi banelise zonke imfuneko zomkhandlu ifundweni ephakemeko.
Umholi we-Africa Independent Congress uMandla Galo ujoyine izakhamuzi zeLesotho esolo zikhombela bona akususwe imkhawulo phakathi kweLesotho neSouth Africa. uGalo ukholwa bona ukuhlanganiswa kwamazwe amabili la kungaletha ituthuko kwezemnotho kuqede nezenzo zobulelesi emkhawulweni.
Lamazwe mabini Lesotho noMzantsi Afrika uhlulwa zindaba zokhahlamba iDrakensberg. Ilizwe laseLesotho likwangqongwe ngamaphondo amathathu, iFree State, Eastern Cape kunye neKwaZulu Natal. Iminyaka ngeminyaka abantu baseLesotho bengena eMzantsi Afrika bezozama impilo. Ngoku bafuna le mida ipheliswe.
The issue of borders between Lesotho and South Africa must come to an end in relates to the curtailing of basic human rights between these two countries over an extended period. There are some people crossing the borders regularly for a range of issues between these two countries, mainly business, seeking jobs.
Abantu abaninzi kuquka imibutho yezopolitiko yasekuhlaleni bathi le mida iphazamisa intshukumo nokuhamba kwabantu phakathi kwalamazwe mabini bathi ngoku kwanele.
Isicela nje ukuthi uhulumene wase South Africa nohulumene wase Lesotho bangenelele kulento. Abesotho baxakekile, abesotho abanayo impilo, abesotho abanalo ikusasa. Siyazibuza ukuthi na ingane zethu zizophila kanjani esikuphila thina kanzima kangaka.
Bambi ke abantu baseLesotho bathi umhlaba wabo uqala kwiphondo kwaZulu Natal uyoma ngentshona koloni.
Andithetha ngematatayile. Ndithetha ukusuka kwilwandle iPortshepstone, Port St John's, Port Elizabeth, Cape Town, ukubheka phezulu eSwazini. Kulapho imida ayibasuthile ndiya iphela khona.
KwaZulu Natal tata kunomlambo omkhulu phaya ekuthiwa ngumsinga. La msinga ngapha komsinga izindawo zabesuthu Asia.
Imibutho yezopolitiko icela uhulumende waseMzantsi Afrika nohulumende waseLesotho badibane khona kuze kuzwe nesisombululo esiyaphambili.
Uhulumende waseLesotho makahlale phansi nohulumende waseMzantsi uphelise lo mda ohlukanisa iSouth Africa neLesotho.
Ziyaqhubeka indibano phakathi kwabahlali nabemi baseLesotho ngakumbi kummandla wasematatiyele kodwa ukabikho lizwi lisemthethweni livela kwabahulumende bobabini.
Siyeva ukubana kukhona abantu baseLesotho abathi bafuna umhlaba wasematatiyele but asikakade isithi sibe siyayifumana officially ize kuthi siseva nje besiapha eziphasejini asikakabe nabunyani kuba inene na umhlaba uyafuneka.
Ingxoxo phakathi kwalamazwe mabini ziyaqhubeka nangona zingezinasisombululo sesiso. Kungoku nje kubonakala ngathi lenyewe ihambela phambili nanjengoko bambi abesuthu besithi bakhushwa ngetshova kwilizwe lokhokho babo eMzantsi Afrika baze bayobekwa ezintabeni ezingenakutya. Inkululeko Nyembezi, Iindaba ze-SABC eMpuma Koloni.
Ngezemali, iranda linzinzile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Kanti kezemidlalo ukapteni weBafana Bafana uRonwen Williams uthi kufanele barorobhe khudlwana njengombana bayokubambana nemali emidlalweni wokuthoma weAfcon ukuphungula igandelelo lemidlalo elandelako. iBafana solo yagcina ukuzibandakanya ephaliswaneni nayidlulela phambili kuma-quarter final wephaliswaneni ngemva kokubetha iGibhithe.
Bathathu kwaphela abadlali beBafana Bafana abe bakhona ku-Afcon yango-2019 eGibhithe abasesekhona nanje basehelweni labadlali abayokujamela ilizweli e-Ivory Coast. Sikhuluma ngokapteni uRonwen Williams, isekela lakhe uPercy Tau noThemba Zwane. Bathi balindile leli phaliswano. Ngileli hlandla bakhamba babandulwa nguHugo Bruce odabuka eBelgium.
I mean, we've got the confidence, because the coach has won it before, so he knows, what it takes to win the tournament. It's going to be tough, it's not going to be easy, but we just need to believe, that it's possible. Go out there, follow the instructions, and I mean, what we've built over the last 2 years, is amazing. This is a special group, and being part of this group it's amazing. The work that we do day in, day out, it's, you can see. It speaks volumes on the field now.
uBruce uthi nethemba ngehelo labadlali bakhe.
You know where we are going. We are not going to a friendly game. We are going to a big tournament. And then you can choose, or you choose really all young players. And before you play one game, you're already out. Because those guys don't have the experience. So you need also to have a good mix. And that's why I choose Iindaba.
Nanyana uThemba Zwane anelwazi elikhulu ngeAfcon, kodwa uzabe athoma ukudlala nabanye abadlali abatsha kuleli phaliswano.
Different individuals that bring we are different pieces to this puzzle, so everyone learns from one another. So I think that's why we're all here, because we bring a different piece to this beautiful puzzle. So I think that everyone is learning from each other, and I think that that's true. We learn a lot from the Sundowns guys. The Sundowns guys, they do a lot of traveling and they play a lot outside the country.
Abayokudlala phakathi nendawo etatawini kuBafana Bafana abasebancane ngeminyaka ema-20 ubudala uOshwin Apolis noJaden Adams.
Njenganje akhe siphose ilihle ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi kuKwekwezi FM sizobona bona baphethe ziphi. Akwande sibu.
Akwande Thandeka, siyathokoza silotshisa nombukeli indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje ihlangano eFreedom Front Plus isola khulu uhulumende wenarha yeSewula Afrika ukuthi nguye othuwelelisa ubeleliso benzeka enarheni le ngokuragela phambili nokuthi batsho akhiphe ama-license anikele abantu. Ngale kwalokho umnyango wezefundo lapha esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal uthi kunokwenzeka ukuthi kuphazamiseke ukuvulwa kwenkolo kwezinye inkolo esifundenisa ngonobangela wezulu elinekhulu ladala umonakalo khona lapha esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal. Bathomile abafundi bazihlolisa emazikweni aphakemeko wezefundo lungiselela umnyaka lo ophezulu ka-2024. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko lapha ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi namhlanje kuKwekwezi FM. Siyathokoza.
Sithokoze sibu akhe sibhode ngapha siyabuya.
Sithokozele ngendabeni namabona mbukele ekhaya lotshani ngelesithathu ndaba makhe sicalele ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha ke livulile ngale ngeTingalanga bese ke lapha litholakala izulu nge-30% liqinileke kulezi ndawo kuthindeka lapha isifunda sangale ngeEastern Cape kuthindeka eKwaZulu-Natal ukuthinga lapha ke endaweni yangale ngakubo Bloemfontein eFreystata. Kusasa ke amathuba lawa aqine khulu abuyela ngendaweni zangale kubo Durban kuthi maphakathi nenarha litholakala lapha nge 60%. Asicaleleke kwisilemukiso sisitholileko umjijo dumakumbi lapha ke emkhawulweni yangale eNorthwest eNorthern Cape nangale ke ngeFreystata izulu elikhulu esindaweni yangapho ke ngakuboGqeberha esifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa nemjijo edumakumbi. Kusasa nakhona sasitholile imjijo edumakumbi le ayibuyela khulu esifundeni sangale ngeMpumalanga ukuthinga eGauteng nemijijo edumakumbi ngale ke ngemkhawulweni esikhe sawubala izulu elikhulu lingale ke ngakwaZulu-Natal. Akhe sikuchidele uyokubona ukuthi anjani amazinga okuchisa ifuthumele Johannesburg, iPitori, nalapha ke kubo Carltonville kusho ukuthi iGauteng ifuthumele, iLimpopo ibonakala nayo ke ifuthumele iyangokuchisa eliphalale nakubo Phalaburwa kodwa ke izulu singalithola ke kezinye indawo sigijimela esifundeni sangaleke ngempumalanga libonakala ke nalo lifuthumele ngaphambi kokuthi ulithole izulu. Isikhukhuza ke siyachisa nge33 siyoqala lapha ke isifunda sangaleke ngaKwaZulu Natal libonakala ke likhona izulu njengoba sikhe sathola nesilemukiso isifunda sifuthumele ngaphambi kokuthi ulithole izulu kilezo dawo. Akhe siqalele ngaleke ngesifundeni sangale ngaKwaZulu Natal siyabona ke ukuthi kusesenjalo kanti ke endaweni zangale ngeEastern Cape sibona izulu likhona kufuthumele kuphole lapha ke emakhanda nakezinye indawo. Siyangaleke ngesifundeni sangeWestern Cape sibona ke lisibekele ngamafu liyachisa endaweni eziningi kufuthumele lapha ke eCape Town. Akhe siyoqalela isifunda sangale ngeNorthern Cape ukuthi sona sinjani. Siyachisa khulu eUppington kuyachisa kufuthumele eSpringbok kuthi kezinye indawo ke kufuthumale nakhona ngale ngeFreystata sibona ke ngaphambi kokuthi litholakale izulu kuzathoma ngokuthi kufuthumale kuchise kezinye indawo. Northwest ibonakele nayo ke ifuthumele noma kuzakutholakala izulu kezinye indawo. Sithokozile. Dido.
Ziphela lapha namhlanje zikhona ngelimi leSiswati kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako. Nisale kuhle.